All right, I just walked into 1320 Whiting Road, unit number 105, and I'm standing in the entryway of this split level. I can see downstairs into the living room, and I can slightly see upstairs to the dining area where the patio is. Over to my right here, have nice wooden flooring in this one, laundry area, and then a separate toilet. There is a sink out here for washing your hands. And then over here, we just have a closet. All white trim and white doors in this unit. It's a garage. Again, 3-stall. There is hookups for a heater to go in the back corner there. Utility room is going to be in the back side here. There is in-floor drains and garage door openers on both doors. I'm going to turn to the left. There is a door here that we can shut to close off the laundry area and garage. So I'm going to go upstairs. And look to my left. We have a spacious open kitchen looking down into the entryway. You have vaulted ceilings in here. You have a small pantry. This Prairie Wood development is actually 140 acres. There's lots of mowed and groomed trails for cross-country skiing and walking. Natural gas is out here. There's a playground for everybody to use. And then there's some common space. And if you need extra parking for storing some of your toys, they also have that available too. Again, Samsung stainless steel appliance package, nice deep drawers, white cabinetry. Another spacious center island. Now I'm walking towards the dining area, and I'm just gonna pivot here. So this would be your living room, dining, kitchen, and then there's a partial wall, and then you have the stairs to go down to your landing. Have a deck that is done. Looks like it is a green treated deck. It's a pretty flat lot. All right, let's go this way. So we've got a closet here, making use of every corner here. We have a full bathroom. Same flooring throughout the bathroom and the hallway and the kitchen and dining. Another linen closet. We're turning here to a bedroom. looking out this bedroom window, we have the side of the house. Looks like they did plant some pine trees. You have a service door for the back of the garage. An empty lot between this house and the neighbors. And then we have the master bedroom here. Everything's very neutral colored. It's the door we just came in. And into the master bathroom. Dual vanities. And then another beautiful walk-in shower. Ventilation right in the shower. Beautiful tile work. And then you've got your floor drain down there. All right, that is the master bathroom. And then we do have a walk-in closet here. And out into the hallway, we have a bedroom that we are in, a linen closet, a bathroom, another storage closet, and then into your living room and dining and kitchen area. And looking down to the landing, this is where we go to the laundry room, the front door, and then the partial wall up here. And now we're going downstairs. This vast family room. The wood burn or a gas fireplace. All right. We have extra bonus storage under the stairs and under the landing. We have utilities here. And I apologize, I think I said that the utilities were in the garage in this one. They are not in the garage. They are most definitely right here. So that door we saw in the garage was the back service door. We have a full bathroom in the basement. And a linen. And turning out of the bathroom, going straight ahead, we have a bedroom. Egress window. And a decent sized walk-in closet. This house has great storage space. Straight across from this bedroom, you can see the bathroom. I'm turning to my left and I've got another bedroom here. Same color scheme throughout the whole house. And this bedroom also has a walk-in closet. Straight ahead into the walk-in closet here. And then we've got another egress window. All right, walking towards the family room in the lower level. We have a little nook here. Looks like they need to fix a little gouge in the wall. And then you can see the living room from where I'm standing. I'm kind of by the under the stair storage area. And then this is the utility room, storage room. And then we're going back up the stairs. All right, and one last glimpse of inside the entry here. 105. So I'm right outside the front entrance. I have a little concrete slab here and a covered entryway. Walk around the side of the garage. Paved driveway. Plenty of parking for additional cars. So this is 105 on Whiting Road, 1320. And then the side of the house, again, trees have been planted. And then we have service store in the back of the garage. And that is it for 13.